Good morning, you all. This is Matthew Tignacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. The last video we recorded was kind of too loud to hear, so I just wanted to turn you guys on again, give you a little what we're working on today. We got a driveway that we're cleaning up, getting rid of all this dirt, grime, mold, algae. We got our trailer set up, and we did the patio in the back, and now we're working on getting this cleaned up for these wonderful homeowners. So we appreciate you guys tuning in with us. Just wanted to give you guys a look at what it looked like before and what it looks like now. So thank you guys so much for being here. We love serving customers. We love going above and beyond expectations when it comes to customer service and doing a great job showing up here on time, going above and beyond with doing a little bit extra, making sure that if the house needs to be washed right next to where the driveway is, we're getting the house washed as well at no additional cost. We appreciate you guys so much for being out here with us. Give us a call at 832-622-2924 and we'll come out and give you guys your own free demonstration and quote. We appreciate you so much. Thank you again. This is Matthew with Sunny Pressure Washing, and we're here in West Houston. You can call us at 832-622-2924. Again, 832-622-2924. Thank you guys so much. We're going to get back on it.